Most ideas don't fail because they're bad. They fail because there's no clear path forward. PathFinder is a business idea development engine designed to turn early thoughts into real businesses. Business in a Box gives you a complete framework to build your business from the ground up. A guided 6-step system that brings clarity to your idea, from defining costs to planning how you'll operate. Estimate expenses, project revenue, and understand your numbers before you invest. See how much funding you need and when each step of your launch should happen. Set up daily, weekly, and monthly actions to keep your business moving forward. Work on multiple ideas, track progress, and continue anytime without losing momentum. Stop guessing. Start building with clarity. Like, share, and subscribe for more startup guidance.